national trophy.
Komiti mar Olympic e pacho ka endi olando ni gibiro siro piem mag tuke mag pi e nam lolwe. Ma endi owachi gi jagoro maduong' mar riwruok matayo chenro mar ng'wech mag Olympics e pacho ka endi men Francis Mutuku. Mutuku mane olimo gavana ma Busia Paulo Tuoma owacho ni gisesiro tuke mag dho wedhe yo Kilifi kama jopiem maromo 700 noyuoro.
We're happy to be here.
We do not wait at Nairobi for top athletes to come. Is to go to the counties and partner with the counties to be able to run the sports where each county has comparative advantage. We started the program of beach sports, which is now growing into water sports, and we find that Busia as a strategic positioning in regard to this particular sport.
We have got this national sports fund, but that is not what we envisaged, even when the sports policy was being developed. Like anywhere else where sports is doing well, these federations and national sports bodies must be funded. And there's a lot of money in sports. But unfortunately, we again have left that sector to go completely unregulated. Because this is what happens in countries that are doing well in sports, Australia, Canada, Britain. All of them have got national lotteries that, goes to the National Olympics committees, and they fund federations.